Advocates say New Hampshire's new proof of citizenship voting law turned away more than 100 potential voters in this month's municipal elections. Qualified voters who stayed through the process of having a prior registration confirm their eligibility say it created a significant delay.
I don't want to say it was an hour, but it was close to it. It was definitely more than 45 minutes. And I knew I had done, my end of it, so I knew it was right.
Michael Blanchette was still able to cast a ballot. The authors of the new law say the new requirements are common sense and not an undue burden.
If you go to the bank, and you want to withdraw money from your account and you don't have your ATM card with you, I mean, what do you think the likelihood is that the bank's going to say, oh, you can just sign an affidavit saying, well, I really do have an account here and it's got, $5,000 in it, so let me withdraw $3,000.
The state is building out a database for election officials to access prior voter registrations to speed up the process for citizens who move. But the database works only if the name on the prior registration matches the name of the voter, which could be an issue for women who marry or divorce and take a new name.
People who've changed their name on getting married, they would have to bring, or divorce, they would have to bring a change of name or marriage or divorce certificate with them to prove that that the name change has some kind of legal basis.
The New Hampshire Secretary of State tells us implementation of the new law is going, quote, smoothly, but he says voter education efforts will continue.
We want to make sure that the voters understand what the new laws are, what's required of them, that it's a fairly simple process. They just need to be prepared.
In Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.